All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here we are on Friday, October 4th, 2024. It's finally Friday. Today we traded the ES and NQ with the AlgoBot strategy. We did 4 trades on each. And we're going to show the first 4 trades on the ES that we nailed pretty good today for $1,500 in profit. And then the 4 trades on the NQ that we got $2,300 in profit, for a grand total of $3,900. So let's take a look at our trades. This is the first one here. And shortly after the open, economic news was out earlier in the day and lifted the market. And so ES was pretty active. But we're still trying to just go for our $500 profit so we can lock it in. And so it made 2 longs here and then a short trade, and we got gypped on the fill here, and so we only got 450 instead of 500 slippage. So sometimes there's positive slippage, sometimes there's a little negative slippage. Like yesterday we had that trade, we had 840 gold, and we ended up with 1,200 bucks. That was a great one. So nothing to worry about. So let's look at our next trade. Here's our second trade at ES. Down we go, and profit targets hit. Great short, 604 buck profit, and we'll take it. Our third trade after 10 o'clock on the ES. There are some numbers that came out. Market ran up, and what goes up goes down. And we're just trading 2 contracts. Down it goes, and we got 300 buck profit, and we'll take it, and we cut the trade short and wait for the next trade. So shortly after we re-enabled the bot, as market started to head lower, and we hit our first 2 profit targets, and then a reversal, quick reversal here, and we got 221, and that was enough for the ES. Now when you're trading these, and even though you're using an AlgoBot, you gotta be totally focused. You can't be watching TV or watching highlights of the Thursday night football game where Kirk Cousins came back and won the game with 2 minutes to go like he always does. And I had given up on it, shut it off later to learn that they won. So you gotta be focused and fully concentrated of what the market is doing. Anything from how fast it's moving. Is it near yesterday's high, yesterday's low? Is there news coming out at 10, 9:45, 9:50? All comes into play. So let's cover our NQ trades. Here's our first NQ trade, and market started a downtrend here, and bot gets short, hit its first profit target, and then gets stopped out, and then we hit the profit target here on another short, and it sells off, and I thought we were near the low, and I exited by hitting the close button. But as you see, the trail stop is dialed in nicely here, coming down with the price action, and it was a nice trade, and we took our profits. Because a lot of times after these big sell-offs, the market goes into zigzag. It'll go down, find a low, and then it does like a W pattern, and you get chopped up. Then this is our second trade in the NQ here, after 10 o'clock, and the market starts a big uptrend thrust. Up we go, and the bot rides the trend, and we go all the way up to the VWAP, and we get a nice 637 profit. And then again, right around the VWAP, it does get choppy, so we cut the trade and took our profits. And then today we were using our FlowBots Replikanto trade copier here on some of these trades, and these are our profits with the trade copier. So as you see, the profits can double and triple very quickly. So for more information on that, visit the link underneath the title here in the video on YouTube. You save 20% on the FlowBots Replikanto trade copier. And then here's our third trade. And just when you think the market's going to go down, it goes up. The bot takes care of that. It gets long. Profit targets hit are the first one and the second one. We get out, cut it short, and then another long here, some profits, and then a reversal to the downside. So a nice trade on that one. And then this is our last trade in the NQ here. Actually, this is a trade before the last one, right around the 10:30 time frame. The last one was about 5 minutes after this. So the market was moving kind of fast here, and it rode the uptrend. Up we go, and two uptrends, and we took our profits once again. And another thing about trading, you gotta have everything dialed in. When you buy the bot, we tell you what size Renko bars to use for the ES, and it's a different size to use for the NQ. And you get the profit targets, stops, trail stops, goals, all that in the manual, so you don't have to second guess and spend a month or two trying to figure it out. Because just dialing in the Renko bars, if you don't have the right settings on the Renkos, you could have more choppier trading, more choppier of a trend. As we're here with the ES, we got them dialed in nicely, and you see how smooth the trend is. I mean, if you can't tell this is an uptrend and this is a downtrend, I mean, I guess you shouldn't be trading. I mean, it's very simple. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Hit that like button. It's Friday. Weekend's here. Time to take the wife to dinner. Been married for 35 years. Must be doing something right. And for more information on our bots, visit our website, Trading123.net. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week.